Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about EIA and history about EIA. So what is EIA? EIA basically a tool which is used to predict the environmental effect due to proposed project or activity. So let's move on about the EIA history. So first is global level. So in 1960 there is environmental awareness is going to begin in developing countries, and in 1969 first formal EIA law is came, that is NEPA, National Environmental Policy Act, which is enforced by USA. That is called the birth of EIA, and it made EIA mandatory for major federal project. In 1970, it spread globally. It spread in other countries also, like US, UK. Sorry, USA already proposed. UK, Canada, Australia, and others also. And in 1980s, it gains international recognition. World Bank and other agency made EIA compulsory for funded projects. It's very important. EIA gain importance in developing countries, and it also recognize in there is a Earth Summit in which EIA recognized globally as a key tool for sustainable development in 1992. Let's move on the development of EIA in India. So we know about in 1970 there is a kind of EIA like other countries know that we studied earlier, and in 1986 actually a legal foundation about the environmental law is ongoing because of the Bhopal gas tragedy happened in 1984, and after that in India law is came, that is Environmental Protection Act, that's provide a legal base for environmental protection. And in 1994, it's very important, in 1994 first EIA notification is came, in which government made EIA mandatory for certain project. So when we adopted the EIA 1994, when there is a two option about 1994 and 2006, so the correct answer is 1994. Introduce environmental clearance system, and in 2006 मेजर रिफॉर्म, इसमें इसका इम्प्रूव्ड वर्जन था जिसमें इसको अच्छे से इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया, जिसमें कैटेगरी वाइज प्रोजेक्ट लाए गए, and decentralizations happen in this, and public consultation process is also included in this, a strong framework for better implementations. And recently development, there is a draft EIA is prepared just for the simplification of the process. So that's it, that's how is importance. Thank you everyone.